Simple ways to stop snoring at night. Millions of people will someday experience the woes of chronic snoring, whether they themselves are creating this irksome sound or whether their sleep is disrupted by their partner. While there are many superficial issues that can cause snoring, it can also be indicative of a more serious health issue. Read on to find out more about this common affliction. If you have problems with snoring during the colder winter months, consider purchasing a humidifier. If you allow the humidifier to remain on in your bedroom while you sleep, you may notice less snoring. The moisture in the air reduces congestion in your chest and reduces the breathing difficulty that can lead to snoring. If snoring has become a nighttime concern, then it is time to give dairy products such as milk, yogurt or cheese a miss before you go to sleep each night. This is because the dairy products can cause mucus to build up near your breathing passages, and this will trigger off snoring. Stick to a regular bedtime, and practice good sleep habits in general to reduce the incidence of snoring. If you go to bed overtired, sleep erratic hours, or have other bad sleep habits, you may sleep very deeply, which relaxes the muscles in the back of your throat more than usual. This can contribute to snoring. Do not eat a meal just before bed. Having a full stomach can put pressure on your lungs and throat, which can in turn cause snoring. To stop this from happening, do not eat for roughly an hour before you go to bed. Not only will you sleep quietly, but your sleep will likely be more restful. Do not consume dairy before going to bed. Dairy products may cause a buildup of mucus in your respiratory system, and this buildup causes snoring. Do not eat ice cream, drink milk or consume any other dairy products before bed, and this can help you avoid snoring. Unstop your nose to quit snoring. Snoring can be an embarrassing problem. It can relate to a number of factors, not the least of which is nasal congestion. One way to address snoring is to talk to your doctor about decongestants. These medications can be a very effective remedy not just for the embarrassment of snoring but also for the underlying condition. Now you should have a better understanding of why you and others snore. The internet is full of advice on this common issue, but not all of it is sound. Consider the above advice carefully whenever you endeavor to solve a snoring problem. If all else fails, consult your doctor for a second opinion. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.